So I'm Jeremy Ayala with Rapid Response Group. We're here in White Memorial Medical Center alternate care facility in Los Angeles, California. Right now we're just over 60% complete, pushing into maybe 65 by the end of the day for the complete build out.
So the project scope of work is to provide 80 patient care spaces to include nurses' stations, showers, bathrooms, anything else they need or required for their particular job. So with the sprung structure that we have provided and erected here on site, it will be basically self-sustaining to include power, sewer, backup generators. So due to the terrain of the parking lot itself, we did have to install a floor to level everything out before the rooms and everything else were built. So that was quite a challenge to include the structure itself, and everything else is built up from there. One section of our floor is 8'8" off of the parking surface in one corner. Lots of engineering has gone into that. These guys are making quick work of what they're doing out there in the field.
So it's impressive what they're doing right now. It's right here in the heart of Boyle Heights. We're looking forward to when this wing opens up and just out here, just seeing the bones of this whole physical structure being put together. Impressive. Tip my hat, to the men and women, the Army Corps of Engineers, and all the working men and women right over here who are working quickly to put this makeshift hospital together. Extra auxiliary wing at White Memorial Hospital here, so we can, have more folks who've been infected by COVID in this wing.
We are currently on pace to finish by our completion date here at the end of March.
These projects, it's not just about the Corps of Engineers, it's not just about the contractor. You're here for a reason, and at the end of the day, things may be rough, you get tired, but something's going to be accomplished when you're done.